Tucked deep in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, just south of Munising, lies one of the best-kept secrets for hikers looking to get off the beaten path, Bruno's Run. This 9-mile loop winds through the heart of the Hiawatha National Forest. It's quiet, it's wild, and it's the kind of trail that lets you breathe a little deeper, walk a little slower, and forget the rest of the world exists. Bruno's Run isn't just a hike, it's a meditation in motion. Whether you've got a few hours or a full day, this trail is a reminder of why we get outside in the first place.
Now we are actually at Moccasin Lake. Now this is where we left off last time. We're going down the trail a little bit further, find out what we can see. Another reason that we came out here though, you can see probably behind me, there's a boat launch there. We're trying to figure out whether we can get our boat in on that launch or not. We're going to bring it out here tomorrow and give it a try. Getting a little late in the day. We thought about it today, but we decided we'll wait till tomorrow on that. And right now we're going to head out onto the trail and take a look.
As we walked towards the trail, there was a fog setting in over the lake. It just added to the isolation of this vast wilderness. The trail continued next to the lake, and then we veered into the woods. We soon came to a peninsula and headed into it.
Wow, you know what? This is just really incredible. We came down the lake and there's a peninsula that sticks out, so we thought, well, let's walk out there and see where it takes us. And we came out to what looks like a big camping area. Now don't get too excited, because the only way you're going to get back out here is to backpack out here. So no trailers, no cars, no nothing, so keep that in mind. But you've got a picnic table, you've got a fire rink, there's even wood sitting here. Even something to wash the dishes with, I guess. I don't know what that's doing here. But we're out on this peninsula and you're looking around this lake. What a gorgeous day. Overcast, just kind of misty a little bit out. But man, nobody else around. I love it.
Before going back to the trail, I walked down to the water to check out the scenery and made a nice discovery.
Something else I noticed down here too. There's a spot that you can actually put a canoe in over on the launch with your equipment and actually paddle down to this particular spot. That'd be another way to get here. You still got to carry your equipment, but you can do it.
If you want to camp and be alone in the wilds, this is the perfect site. Oh, here's another important discovery.
Well, we just left that campsite that we were at, and it looked like it had everything there, but what we weren't thinking about is a latrine. Well, we came a little ways down the trail and we found a sign that said latrine. The thing is, there's an arrow on the tree. You got to go uphill to get there. I don't know where that leads to or how much further you have to go, but keep that in mind if you're looking for one.
As I'm hiking the wilderness trail, I think about a quote from John Muir. And into the forest I go, to lose my mind and find my soul. Nothing could be truer.
I gotta tell you, it is really nice out here. We got a day, nobody else is around. Coming down this trail, one of the things that we found, and one of the things I read about too, is that it was kind of hilly going through here. And they're not kidding, it is hilly. None of the hills are real big, but there's just one after another, going in every which way, in every direction. And makes it quiet, makes it just especially beautiful when it's like that. I'm enjoying myself. Well, it was quite the sign. Not something I expected to find out here. Don't exactly know what it means. I thought maybe it was because of so many up and down hills, they want you to take it easy, have fun, enjoy yourself. But as I got closer, there's a little sign on there that is a cross-country ski trail. And I noticed as you go down the trail, you can be dropping down, going back up, probably telling you, be careful. Basically is what that's saying.
Not only a good suggestion for skiers, but also a great state of mind when you come back here.
Well, I'm telling you, we came down here, and it was right after the sign where we come down this hill, and then it goes back, I think, up there. But as you can see behind me, there's really not much of a trail. I don't see a trail in any direction. This obviously is not moved. People are not coming down this trail very often. And yeah, we might go a little further, but if it doesn't clean up some, I think we're going to turn around.
As I continue to go deeper into the high grass, I'm thinking maybe I better look at a map.
Might be able to see this.
Referring to the trail.
Well, we refer to this area that we're in as Moccasin Lake Hills. And I'm telling you what, it's just up one, down the other. It's just crazy out here. Twists and turns. It's hilly. Guaranteed. Be ready for it.